In only 2 minutes, boring text and scattered notes can be transformed into vibrant, easy-to-follow mind maps. By combining the capabilities of Gemini with NotebookLM, in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish. While NotebookLM can generate basic mind maps on its own, pairing it with Gemini adds depth, visuals, and clarity, making your maps much more engaging and ready to share. Let's face it, the mind maps that NotebookLM produces can be a bit bland and uninspiring. The great news is that there are 3 easy techniques you can use to turn these simple maps into eye-catching, professional-looking visuals that are actually worth sharing.
Method 1. Imagine you already have a notebook with multiple sources on impact of social media on mental health. Normally, creating a mind map would be as simple as hitting the Mind Map button in NotebookLM, which automatically selects a topic and generates the map for you. But here's the catch. If you want to share it, you'd have to manually open every single node and expand them one by one before saving the map as an image. That process can be slow and tedious. Instead, we're going to take it a step further. We'll start by generating the basic mind map in NotebookLM, but instead of stopping there, we'll use Gemini to turn it into a visually engaging, polished version. Open Gemini, click the plus icon, and upload the image of the mind map you just created. Then, give Gemini a prompt to recreate the mind map using the uploaded image as a reference, while adding extra nodes, icons for each idea, and concise descriptions showing how the nodes relate to one another. Make sure image generation and thinking mode are turned on before running the prompt. In just a few seconds, Gemini will deliver a fully upgraded mind map where each node has both an icon and a brief explanation, making the map clear, attractive, and easy to understand. Now you have a professional, share-ready mind map. If it's not perfect on the first try, you can simply ask Gemini to refine it or regenerate the map for a better version. Method 2. What if you don't have a notebook full of sources? No problem. You can create a mind map using Gemini alone. Start a fresh conversation in Gemini and ask it to research the topic climate change for your audience on AI Tech Vision. Once Gemini generates a research summary, follow up with another prompt asking it to convert that summary into a visual mind map with connected nodes, images for each point, and short explanations showing how the ideas relate. In just a few moments, Gemini will produce a complete, visually structured mind map covering the causes, effects, and key aspects of climate change.
The only thing to keep in mind is that because the content is generated entirely by AI, here's a small chance of minor errors or AI hallucinations. So it's best to review the map before using it.
Method 3.
The third approach is usually the most dependable because it combines the strengths of both Gemini and NotebookLM. This feature lets you control the sources used for the mind map.
To begin, open Gemini and turn on image generation along with thinking mode, just like in the previous methods. However, this time you won't upload an image. Instead, click the plus icon and connect your NotebookLM notebook directly. Once the notebook window appears, choose the notebook you want to use and add it to Gemini. After that, enter a prompt asking Gemini to create a mind map focused specifically on impact of social media on youth. The biggest benefit of this method is that you decide the exact topic and focus, rather than allowing the AI to randomly select one. Since the notebook already contains reliable sources and materials, the generated mind map will be more accurate, structured, and research-driven.
In the end, you get a detailed mind map with rich visuals, structured nodes. These explanations are perfectly aligned with your research topic. I'm confident they will provide the clarity you need. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to AI Tech Vision, and share it with someone who wants to make their ideas more visual and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.